Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to scan for viruses on your Windows 10 or 11 laptop, PC, or computer. So let's get started. Really simple. First thing you're going to do is go into the start menu here, and then in the start menu here or in the search bar here, you're going to search for basically Windows Security. So you're going to search for the Windows Security option, and it'll take you to the Windows Security section. And when you get to the Windows Security section, you're going to click on Virus and Threat Protection. And when you get there, there's a built-in option that allows you to scan for viruses. You can do a quick scan right here. However, there are other options. So if you do scan options, you have a couple options that you can do. The quick one is just going to do for your system, check folders and such. However, there's a full scan, which will check for files and running program on your hard disk. This can take long, more than even 1 hour, as it says. So depending on what kind of virus you're looking to scan for, you might select maybe a full one to thoroughly scan it. But if you do want a quick one just to check, you can do it as well. And then there's custom ones and then offline one as well. So whatever you select, and then you're going to click on scan now, right? It will start scanning file, and it's going to give you time remaining. I did the quick one here just to show you, but I would recommend doing the full scan and then making sure it scans it thoroughly. And you're just going to wait until the scan is complete, and at that point it's going to tell you everything you need to know. And if there is any virus, there's going to be options you can take, all which we'll explain to you in another video. So I hope this video was helpful, so please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. So see you guys next time.